Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. We have 4 Sudokus to go, with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, Sudoku and a tectonic. So let's get started with the second Sudoku. Alright, let me see which number I can use. I think we can use the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Then can I use the 7? Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then okay. Yes. Eight. Can I do something with the 8? No. The 5. No. Yes, the 2. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Two in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the column, the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. Well, I see here 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. Yes. Alright. 2 in the first column. 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. I marked the 2 here. Okay. Well. Then can we do something with 3? Yes, I see a pair. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. I see here a 3 and a 6. So no 3 and 6 in these 2 boxes. No 3 and a 6 in these two boxes. I see here 3 and a 6. So no 3 in those, in this box. So we have a pair, 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 6. The 3 and the 6. Alright. That means we have a 7 here in this row. No, we have a 7 there. That means these 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. The 5, 4, and the 8. Here cannot be the 4, so the 4 should be here. We have 8. 8 cannot be here, so 8 should be there. Or the 5. The 5 we do not have. So I need to wait for more information. These 3 numbers in this row for the numbers 4, 5, and 8. 4, 5, and 8. And I cannot fill this yet. How about these 3 numbers? No, we have the 6 there, so that will be difficult. Let's wait. Alright. Then the 5 could be here. I see, yes. No. Six to the 1. I cannot feel right there. The 9 and yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9. Should be here. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, alright, the 9 are used. Can I finish this with the 3? Yes. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then can I do something with the 1, 8, and the 5? One, 2, 3. Yes, we have a 3 in this big square. We have a 3 there, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here or there. So in this big square, we have a 3 over there, so the 3 cannot be in one of those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there, because we have a 3 here, so the 3 cannot be in this box. I need 3 more. 3, the 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Okay. Let me think. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then A1 in this column, A1 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. And the 3, I believe, now I can fill the 3 in. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, I can remember, because we have a 3 over there, so no 3 here. So in this column we have a 3 here, so no 3s in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 3, should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3, but these 2 numbers left in this column are the numbers 5 and 5 and 4. 5 and 4. 5 and 4, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 7 and 8, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and 8 goes here, and 1 missing number in this column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. Then we have a 7, 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 7, 8, and 6 is missing. 7. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5, I believe. Yes. So we have a pair here, 4, 5, 4, 5. That means in this column we have a 4, 5. This column 4, 5. So in the third column we have a pair 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. These two numbers I remember were the 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6, 4, 5, 3, 6. That means this empty box should be an 8. 4, 5, 3, 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. One missing number in this row for the number 5. 4, 5. 7, 6, and 4. I need 4 more. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be here. We have a 4, 5. I can remember. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 3, 6, 3, 6. I remember. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 6. No, the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers 7 and 8. No, I cannot finish it. These 2 numbers in the first column for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 7, 6, and 3 numbers missing. The numbers are 4, 6, and 7. I see here 4 and 7, so no 4 and 7 in this box. This should be the 6. Here we have a 7 and 4, 7 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the first big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 8 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers in this middle column for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. I cannot finish this. Wow. Then these 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Yes, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 6 there now, so no 4, no 6 here. 6 will be here, and the 4 goes there. Now I can finish this. 7 and 4 are missing. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 8 are missing. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes here. Finished in 19 minutes. Alright, people, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like, or if you want, download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for watching again, and I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 3 stars. Alright, thank you and bye bye.